7 Home remedies for cough. 1. Honey. Honey is a time-honored remedy for a sore throat. Mix up to 2 teaspoons of honey with herbal tea or warm water and lemon. 2. Probiotics. While they don't relieve a cough directly, they do help to balance your gastrointestinal flora. 3. Bromelain. You don't usually think of pineapple as a cough remedy. Eat a slice of pineapple or drink 3.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice 3 times a day. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves are well known for their healing properties. Menthol in peppermint soothes the throat and acts as a decongestant, helping to break down mucus. 5. Marshmallow. Marshmallow is made from Althea officinalis, a perennial that flowers in summer. Marshmallow root isn't recommended for children. 6. Thyme. Compounds called flavonoids that relax the throat muscles involved in coughing and lessen inflammation. You can make thyme tea at home using 2 teaspoons of crushed thyme leaves and 1 cup of boiling water. Cover the cup, steep for 10 minutes, and strain. 7. Salt and water gargle. Mixing 1/4 to ½ teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water can help to relieve irritation. Check the description to see where to find these products. Subscribe for more natural tips.